it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I am going to be showing you how easy it is to make a milkshake at home. This is super simple, and it doesn't necessarily require any special tools. So all you need is some milk and an ice cream of your choice. You want to let the ice cream soften a little bit. Like maybe let it sit out on the counter for, like 10 minutes, just so that it's really scoopable. I did about a quarter cup of milk and then about a cup of ice cream. And I put that in my blender. If you don't have a blender, you can use an immersion blender. If you have one of those, you could use a hand mixer if you really wanted to let your ice cream soften up more. You could use a hand blender, and if you really let it soften up, if you let it melt completely, then you could mix it and then stick it in the freezer and just keep an eye on it. But you just want to blend it up for 30 seconds or so, just until everything is mixed together. And then I wanted some Oreos in mine, and I like big chunky pieces of Oreo. I don't like the Oreo as much when it's in the milkshake and it gets too soft. So I just broke mine up. If you wanted to, you could mix it in with when you blend, and that's the same for any toppings. If you wanted to say put peaches or some other kind of fruit or some other kind of cookie in your ice cream, you could just put it in there with the blender. But I think most people have a blender at home, and so this is a really easy way to make a milkshake at home. And yeah, it's really great. I was just really wanting a milkshake this day, and I was like, you know what? These are super easy to make at home. This is how we've made them in restaurants that I've worked at. I think people think that there's something special to milkshakes, but there's just not. It's just a little bit of milk and a little bit of ice cream. So, but there it is, all done. Let us know if you try this recipe, and thank you so much for watching, and be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes for more. Okay, bye.